Okay, you can do this.
I know. Carvana makes it so convenient to sell your car. It's just hard to let go. My car and I have been through so much together.
But look, you already have a great offer from Carvana. That was fast.
Well, I know my license plate and VIN by heart, and those questions were easy.
You're almost there. Now to just accept the offer and schedule a pickup or drop-off.
How'd you do it? How are you so strong in letting go of your car?
Well, I already made up my mind, and Carvana's so easy.
Yeah, true. And sold.
Go to Carvana.com to sell your car the convenient way.
What's the first thing that comes to mind when you think about eggnog? Here's why you might want to start considering the drink a symbol of unity for Black people everywhere. This is 2 Minute Black History, what you didn't learn in school. Eggnog is a staple in winter holiday tradition, with an average of 135 million pounds consumed yearly in the United States. But the drink also has powerful ties to our history. Eggnog is commonly made with some type of alcohol, and in the 18th century, Americans relied on rum imported from the Caribbean islands to make it. It was much more expensive to make with alcohol imported from the United Kingdom. In the early 1800s, beverage expert Cato Alexander went from being enslaved to opening his own bar in New York. Amongst his signature cocktails was eggnog. People from across the nation came to Cato's to experience it, popularizing the drink in Black culture. Eggnog has many variations, all grounded in Caribbean culture. Coquitos, for example, are a popular type of eggnog that has traveled to the U.S. along with a healthy sense of pride. Competitions are held in New York to see who makes it the best. No matter where we live, our connections run deep. And while eggnog is usually a holiday drink, the beverage proves that our unity is something to celebrate every single day of the year. In order to move towards the future, you've got to look to the past. This has been 2 Minute Black History, a podcast by Push Black. If you enjoyed this episode and want to show your support, please rate and subscribe to our podcast. Together, let's celebrate and honor the legacy of Black history.